how to add follow button on Facebook page. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. So let's get started right away. Well, first of all, you want to go to an actual page. So I'm going to go to this page test right over there. And wait, let me switch to it actually, because you have to be in that page. So now that I'm on here in this page, what you want to look for is these three dots right over there. Now, once you've clicked on there, you will get this menu in the page settings. Now, in order to add a follow button, you want to click on switch Facebook page to classic mode or a classic page. I over here don't have it, as you can see. Now, that is because you're only able to do this if your page was created before they turned it to the new settings or page mode. So if you have an old page that was a classic page before, but now automatically got updated, then you have the option in order to switch back to the classic mode. But if your page is created after that, then you simply are not able to do that. So if you still have a page that is very old, then you can actually switch here back to the classic mode, and then you can actually add that follow button right over there. And then once you've switched back to the classic mode, then in the settings, you can actually switch to a different account or a page type, and then to, I believe, like, so for example, video creator or something, and then you actually can add a follow button. Now, there is an alternative way in order to still get a follow button though, and that is if you were to go back to your own personal account and then click on your profile, and then over here on the three dots, here you can actually turn on professional mode. Now, what will this actually do? Well, turn on professional mode, get paid for your content, see content insights, and let more people follow you. Like you can see, follow. So if you turn this on, then you will become like a professional account or like a public account. And then right over here, your account will change. So let's just click on view as real quick. Then as you can see, there is a follow button right there. So that is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.